Welcome aboard! Whether you're dreaming of a sun-soaked tropical escape, a cultural European adventure, or an action-packed family getaway, cruising is one of the best ways to travel the world in style. Today, we're diving into the top cruise lines and why they're perfect for your next getaway. Ready to set sail? Let's explore! Our first stop is Royal Caribbean, famous for its cutting-edge technology, high-energy activities, and massive ships. If you're looking for a perfect blend of adventure, entertainment, and relaxation, this is your go-to cruise line. Top destinations are the Caribbean, Mediterranean, Alaska, Southeast Asia, perfect for families, adventure seekers, tech lovers. Unique features are the largest ships in the world, SkyPad virtual reality bungee trampoline, and Central Park neighborhoods with real trees. With Royal Caribbean, the ship is just as exciting as the destination. Whether you want to zip line across the deck or enjoy ice skating at sea, there's no shortage of activities. If you're craving sophistication and modern luxury, Celebrity Cruises should be on your radar. With their Edge-class ships, Celebrity combines stunning design with a more intimate, upscale experience. Top destinations are the Mediterranean, Galapagos, South America, and the Caribbean. Perfect for couples, luxury seekers, foodies. Unique features are Magic Carpet, a floating platform that moves between decks, infinite veranda staterooms, eco-friendly focus. Celebrity is perfect for those who want a sophisticated, intimate experience without sacrificing modern comforts. The dining options are top-notch, and the onboard experiences are designed for relaxation and indulgence. Next up, Norwegian Cruise Line, home of freestyle cruising, where the motto is all about doing what you want, when you want. With no fixed dining times or dress codes, Norwegian is all about flexibility and fun. Top destinations are Hawaii, Alaska, Caribbean, Europe. Perfect for casual cruisers, families, adventure enthusiasts. Unique features are go-karts at sea, Broadway musicals, free-spirited vibe. Norwegian is all about letting you decide how to vacation. Whether you're in the mood for a laid-back pool day or high-energy entertainment, it's all on your terms. For a more relaxed and rejuvenating experience, Princess Cruises is the perfect fit. With their personalized service, focus on wellness, and discovery at sea programs, it's ideal for those looking to unwind and reconnect with nature. Top destinations include Alaska, Europe, Mexico, and the South Pacific. It's perfect for nature lovers, retirees, and wellness enthusiasts. Unique features like ocean medallion technology for personalized services, movies under the stars, and Discovery trademark and Animal Planet trademark shore excursions make it special. Princess Cruises creates a perfect balance between adventure and relaxation. Their Alaska itineraries are legendary, giving you access to untouched wilderness with guided tours by naturalists. Of course, we can't forget Disney Cruise Line, the ultimate choice for families and Disney fans. Offering magic for all ages, Disney cruises are packed with character encounters, Broadway-style shows, and themed parties that kids and adults will never forget. Top destinations include the Caribbean, Bahamas, Europe, and Alaska. It's perfect for families, Disney lovers, and multi-generational groups. Unique features like Star Wars Day at Sea, Marvel Day at Sea, adult-only areas, and fireworks at sea make it stand out. Why do we love it? Disney's attention to detail and immersive experiences make it a magical vacation for families. From character meet and greets to world-class entertainment, everyone has a little bit of fun, no matter their age. Last but not least, Holland America Line is perfect for travelers looking for a more traditional and refined cruising experience. Known for its elegance, culinary excellence, and enriching cultural programs, this line is ideal for those who appreciate the finer things in life. Top destinations include Alaska, Northern Europe, the Mediterranean, and Asia. It's perfect for mature travelers, culture enthusiasts, and foodies. Unique features like the Culinary Council by world-renowned chefs, BBC Earth experiences, and classical music and art programs stand out. Why do we love it? Holland America delivers an enriching and elegant experience at sea. Whether you're attending an art lecture or enjoying a quiet moment watching the glaciers, it's all about slowing down and savoring every moment. So, which cruise line is right for you? Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or a magical family experience, there's a perfect cruise waiting for you out there. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the top cruise lines. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all things travel.